In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scaling text on your Wix website in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio so you can work directly inside the editor. Once you are in, the goal is to make sure your text resizes smoothly across different screen sizes, which helps your design look more polished on desktop, tablet, and mobile. From the left sidebar, click the Add Elements icon. Then choose Text and drag a text element onto your canvas. You can use a heading if you want something more prominent, or a paragraph if you are working with body text. Place it where you want it to appear on the page. This gives you the text element you'll be making responsive. Next, click directly on the text box on your canvas to select it. You want to make sure the specific text element is highlighted before adjusting any settings. If the wrong element is selected, the changes won't apply where you expect. So it's worth taking a quick second to confirm that the text box is active. After that, go to the top right of the editor and click the inspector icon. This opens the inspector panel, where you can control more detailed settings for the selected element. This panel is especially useful when you want precision and consistency in your layout. In the inspector panel, scroll down until you find the responsive behavior section. This is where Wix Studio lets you control how the text responds as screen sizes change. It's an important setting because fixed text sizes can sometimes look too large on smaller devices or too small on larger screens. Once you are in that section, choose Scale Proportionally from the drop-down menu. This option uses responsive pixels, which means the font size will automatically adjust based on the screen size. In other words, your text will scale more naturally, instead of staying locked to one size. This helps maintain readability while also keeping the design visually balanced. After enabling that, set your minimum and maximum font size limits directly in the inspector panel. This is a very helpful step because it prevents the text from shrinking too much on mobile devices or becoming oversized on larger screens. A good range keeps your content readable and your design consistent, no matter where it's viewed. Once you've done that, your scaling text setup is in place. It's always a good idea to preview your design across different breakpoints to make sure the text feels comfortable and looks the way you want on each screen size. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.